The Justice Department's lawsuit against North Carolina. In a recent call with the Conservative Federalist Society, Whalen says Gupta and the civil rights team overreached.
At some level, I think the fact that this is even being presented as a serious question is a testament to societal collapse.
For Gupta, whose sister is gay, the issue is a matter of preventing discrimination against real people in the real world. She told reporters when the North Carolina lawsuit was filed last month that the legal case is clear.
Turn right now, then
U.S.
turn
Supreme
right.
Court could determine whether she's right. Carrie Johnson, NPR News, Washington.
There are traffic disruptions on the route at I-5/I-5 and between WA 520/exit 168 and Ravenna BLVD exit 170. Queuing traffic. No alternative route found.
And committed to powering partnerships. More information at comcastbusiness.com.
If you've lived in Seattle longer than 10 minutes, you know that we like to debate almost everything. Should we build a monorail or a downtown
10.1 miles. Make a legal U-turn, then turn slight right.
Hardly debated at all, like a $1.4 billion plan to expand the Washington State Convention Center.
Make a legal U-turn now, then turn slight right. New estimated time of arrival is 4:56 p.m.